Hey, thanks for joining me today. I'm your marketing lady, and today I'm going to show you how to change your Instagram video thumbnail. It's really simple to do, and this will eliminate that black screen that I often see on a lot of people's videos to start a video. It's really simple, so stick with me. Okay, the first thing we're going to want to do is choose our video. So let's click the plus sign. Now you can see it's kind of blurry, so I don't want that. So I'm going to customize this. Let's click next. At the bottom, you're going to notice you've got three options: filter, trim, and cover. You'll want to click on cover. The next thing you're going to want to do is to click on this particular photo here at the bottom and drag it to where you want your custom photo to be, or custom cover. I want mine to be pretty clear, so I think that looks good. Now I'll click next. You can see the cover has changed. If we go back and say, for instance, I want it to use another cover, maybe this cover here to start my video, I'll do that and click on next again, and you can see where my cover has changed. It's that simple to do, and that's how you eliminate having those black boxes appear before your video starts. Really simple, right? Leave me a comment. Let me know if this helped you. Let me know if you've ever had that issue with that black box, and let me know if this has resolved that for you. Also, please like this video and also subscribe to my channel so I can keep bringing social media tips for businesses. Thanks again for watching. I also want to invite you to check me out on Instagram at Your Marketing Lady. I'm very active there, and I'm always sharing content. So until next time, thanks for watching. I'm Your Marketing Lady, and I'll see you next time.